Hello everyone, I am Ayush Udaykant Sharma. Today I am here to share my micro project which is on the topic rectifier and its types through the medium of PowerPoint presentation. Introduction. A rectifier is an electrical device which converts alternating current into pulsating DC. This process of converting AC supply into DC supply is called rectification. Types of rectifiers. There are two types of rectifier. Half wave rectifier, which is in short called as HWR, and full wave rectifier, which is in short called as FWR. Full wave rectifier is further classified into center tapped full wave rectifier and full wave bridge rectifier. First of all, we will see what is a half wave rectifier. Half wave rectifier has only one diode in its circuit, because of which just positive half cycle of AC sine wave gets rectified. As only half wave gets rectified, therefore this process is called as half wave rectification. Down you can see the waveform produced by a half wave rectifier. At left you can see the sinusoidal waveform supply, and at the right you can see the rectified output waveform. When the positive half cycle of the AC sine wave is given to the diode works in a forward bias condition and hence allows the current to flow to the circuit. But when the negative half cycle of the AC sine wave is given to the diode works in a reverse bias condition and hence opposes the current to flow through the circuit. And hence, in the rectified output waveform we can see positive half cycle but no negative half cycle. Parameters for half wave rectifier. Average DC value of a half wave rectifier is Im by pi. The ripple factor, which is in short called as RF, is 1.21. Rectifier efficiency, which is denoted by eta, is 40%. Peak inverse voltage PIV is Vm. Transformer utilization factor, which is in short called as TUF, is 28.7%. The root mean square, which is called RMS, is Im by 2. Advantages of half wave rectifier. Half wave rectifier is a simple circuit. It has low cost. We can easily use it. We can easily construct it. It has low number of components, therefore it is cheap. Advantages of half wave rectifier. Transformer utilization factor is low. They produce a low output voltage. DC saturation of transformer core resulting in magnetizing current and also some hysteresis losses and generation of harmonics. The power output and therefore rectification efficiency are quite low. Now we will discuss what is a full wave rectifier. A full wave rectifier has either 2 or 4 diodes in its circuit. Based on this, the full wave rectifier is classified into two types: center tapped full wave rectifier and full wave bridge rectifier. In this rectifier, both the positive and the negative half cycle of AC sine wave gets rectified. Down you can see the waveforms produced by the bridge rectifier. Down you can see the circuit diagram of full wave center tap rectifier. When a positive half cycle of AC sine wave passes through diode D1, at the same time the negative half cycle of the AC sine wave passes through diode D2, because of which diode D1 becomes forward bias, which passes the current, and D2 becomes reverse bias, which opposes the current. The same happens when a negative half cycle is given to the diode D1 and positive half cycle is given to the diode D2, which makes them work in reverse and forward bias condition respectively. And hence in the output voltage waveform we can see that both the positive and the negative half cycle gets rectified and we get continuous supply of current. Parameters for full wave rectifier. Average DC value is twice Im by pi. Ripple factor is 0.48. Rectifier efficiency is 81.2%. Peak inverse voltage for center tap rectifier is twice Vn and for bridge rectifier it is Vn. Transformer utilization factor is 69.3%. The root mean factor RMS is Im by root 2. Here you can notice that the full wave rectifier and the half wave rectifier's parameters are the same, but their value differs. Advantages of full wave rectifier. The rectification efficiency of full wave rectifiers is double that of the half wave rectifiers. The ripple factor in full wave rectifier is low, hence a simple filter is required. The output voltage and the output power obtained in a full wave rectifier are higher than that obtained using half wave rectifier. Disadvantages of full wave rectifier. It has a more complicated network than that of the half wave rectifier. It requires more diodes, 2 for center tap rectifier and 4 for bridge rectifier. PIV rating of the diode is higher. Higher PIV diodes are larger in size and too much costlier. The cost of center tap transformer is high. Applications of rectifier. Rectifiers are used in electric welding to provide the polarized voltage. It is also used in traction, rolling stock and 3-phase traction motors used for running trains. Half-wave rectifiers are used in mosquito repellent and soldering iron. Half-wave rectifiers are also used in AM radios as a detector and signal peak detector. Conclusion. Rectifiers are the most basic circuits for the conversion of AC supply to the DC supply. This PPT presentation will help each and every person to remember this concept lifelong, as it contains all the basic about rectifiers which a beginner needs. Thank you.